Hello students, welcome back to Practice Maths. Today in this video we are going to find the solutions of this is intermediate secondary maths 2B, that is the chapter parabola. So in these three exercises we are going to find the solutions. Now start with the first question here. Here students, before starting to the exercise we are going to some like important points we have to remember here and we have to practice here. Those points I will tell you. So here in your textbook page number there is a 105 page number is there now. So in this page number you go there 3.1.1, the conic definition is there, conic. So please read that one, conic. So there he given that like straight line is called directrix. He given that like axis like this. So this parabola axis like this. On this parabola will come here. So this is directrix. He is given directrix. So please remember these words, very important, directrix. And here this what is this, some important points he is given. P point he is given here and M is a point on this directrix. This is a directrix, okay. This is axis, okay. Now here this point is S. So whichever points we can take you can take, but this is given points are in the textbook here, okay. So here directrix is what, this y axis, okay. Axis is there, this x axis actually. Now P is a point, okay. So here another thing is there. So you read that 3.11 total, okay. So he is equal to one conic called as a parabola, so ellipse and hyperbolic. So these three important points here, you read that those points also in the your 105 page number 3.11 in that one. So after that 3.1.2 is there, equation of parabola is given. So that is x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to Lx plus my plus n whole square divided by L's under root of L square plus m square, okay. So this cancel ayipotundi. So whenever under root low, so is given in the your textbook only 3.1.2. so please remind this one also, very important here. And here parabola standard form is given 3.1.3 in this one, parabola standard form. So what is the standard form is given here, the x plus a. So that is y square is equal to 4ax is given here in this one, the equation of parabola. So that also very important. Which one? 3.1.3 also very important. Please go through this one once. So what is given, what we have to do, that is given totally in this one. See here the 3.4 diagram is there na? So diagram, so 106 page number. So this diagram you find the z, a, s, p, m, this type of values will take in the questions, okay. So x-axis is there, x-axis already is in this one, okay. I will draw another one here. So this is x-axis and this is y-axis and this is also directrix one we can take, and this is also directrix, okay. So what is perpendicular to x-axis, y-axis, okay, this one y. So here some values, m value like m, p, like p out of this one, p if take a parabola like this though, okay. P at this place and S at this place and A at this place, okay. Z is this place, Z, A like this. So here this total diagram very important. Please remind this diagram in the questions. We will make this type of questions on this diagram, okay. So here y square is equal to 4ax na. So this diagram useful for you in your coming classes, coming questions. And another thing here, so 3.1.11, okay. So those are the very important. 3.1.11. So now here these are the important. First one is here given as y square is equal to 4ax. So in this focus is there, focus and equation of directrix, What is directrix? This one, equation of directrix, or this one we can take any one, okay. So directrix this one. And here axis of parabola, okay, for this one also and other also. So another thing is given vertex. So all are will be for this, and second equation is given that y square is equal to minus 4x is there na? So for this also we have to find these things. Focus we have to find equation of directrix and axis of parabola and vertex. These are all in your textbook 108 page number, there you find all these things. Now third one is there. What is third one? X square is equal to 4ay there, and fourth one x square is equal to minus 4ay. So this fifth one, okay, fifth one is what, that y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h. So this also you will get these things, focus, equation of directrix, axis of parabola and vertex, everything you will get of these equations. Okay, now sixth one is given that formula that y minus k whole square is equal to minus 4a into x minus h. So this is also we have to find here these things. What one? Focus, equation of directrix, axis of parabola and vertex. So sixth one also there, sixth one also completed, na? Seventh, eighth, ninth also there. So three and more three there. So we'll do the here. Now seventh one is there here like this, x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k is there, na? So this is also we have to find the focus, equation of directrix, all you have find in the your textbook 110 page number, this you find. Okay, so this one. Now here eighth one also is given that x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k. So this is also one formula. And ninth one here given, so already we discussed this. Okay, this is the ninth one here, this is ninth one. Okay, this is the ninth one. So these are the 9 important like formulas, or we can say that parabolas. We can these are the 9 important parabolas are there. So these are very important. On these based you will get the questions in your board exams also. Please practice. So other than practice you can't remember this. Okay, please practice every question and every this parabola equation 9 there, na? So 9 you have to practice. At least you write in your rough notes once, like at least once to 5 times. Okay, of these parabolas, that those will help you in a board exam to get up to like 9 marks from this chapter. 9 marks. Okay, what is this? 9 marks from this chapter. One 7-mark question plus 2-mark question. Okay, so you will get maximum in this 9 marks questions. 9 marks. Okay, 9. So please practice. Here you will get 9 marks, and examples also very important, my dear students. You will get examples very important. So again here 111 page number 111. So 111 and page number, this page number is. So in this you will find the like some important definition of focal distance. So here you have to find that focal distance x1 plus a is there, na? So this is focal distance is given in this 3.1.6 the diagram. So you'll go there, and that one also you do. Now here parametric equation of parabola is given also 3.1.14. This is one. Okay, 3.1.4 1.14. So in this parametric equation of parabola, so what is this parametric equation of parabola is given in this equation, that there the point is what is this, at square comma 2at is there, na? So this is very important point. This is a parametric equation of parabola point. Okay, where y square is equal to 4ax is there, na? So this is given here. Okay, in this like 3.14 point your textbook is given. Now after that you have to remember this also, 3.1.5 is very important. There is a s1, s is equal to y square minus 4ax is there, na? So s1 is equal to also given y1 minus 2a into x plus x1 is given. So these 4 are important. 4 is given here, there. Okay, third one also will write here, third one. So s12 is equal to y1 y2 minus 2a into x1 plus x2. Okay, so another thing also there, s11 is there, s11 is equal to y1 square minus 4a x1. These are the 4 important formulas, very important here. Okay, so please practice this also whenever we use in your problems, going problems. So this will help you, okay, finding the problems, solutions. And here now 3.1.7 is there, 17 is there, na? So in this you will find some important problems. So find the coordinates of the vertex of and focus, and equations of the directrix of the axis. Very important problems, solve problems. Okay, please practice. Okay, problems. So you will get these problems are very important. You will practice this 1 to how much, 2 3 4 5 6 7 problems are there, 8 problems are there, 8 solved problems are there up to 115 page number. Before the exercise 3a, before the exercise 3a, you will get these 8 solved problems are there. Every problem is important, every problem replicate in your textbook of exercise 3a. Okay, so please practice, don't hesitate to practice, and examples, solve problems, these are the very important solved problems. Will compulsory will useful for your board exam, compulsory board exam. So whoever want to write IIT exams, MSET exams, so they has to compulsory practice every problem and every question and every formula by hearted. Okay, textbook totally you have to by heart. That's it. There is no other way to get the MSET best rank and IIT best rank. Okay, so this I want to tell this about the like parabola before this starting to the exercise. Now we'll go for the exercise 1, exercise 3a in this one. So 3a only now, parabola 3a. So here first section we having section 1, we have 12 problems are there. Okay, 12 problems we'll discuss in this, we'll solve these questions, 12 questions. And after the second section and second section are there 5 questions, and section third are 3 questions. These 8 questions we'll solve in the next video. Okay, we'll start with the first section here now. Students, I forgot to tell something here, that 3 point here you will have to know this one, 3.1.7. so please go through there once, 107th page number. Okay, where you find definitions, what is a chord, what is a focal chord, and double ordinate and latus rectum. So latus rectum is very very important, we have to use many times in this exercise. Okay, these are the important. Chord is the line joining the 2 points of parabola is called chord, like this. Okay, the parabola. So now another thing is given, that what is given, the focal chord, the passing through the focal chord is focal chord. Okay, we'll discuss this also. Double ordinate, a chord through the point is, these things you will find in the your textbook, please go through there. And latus rectum also. So the double ordinate passing through the focus is called, so this double ordinate, this one, this is the focus where, and okay, this is the focus and this is the double ordinate. So this one and this one. Okay, we think that this is L, this is L dash. If you think that this is A, this is A dash will come here. Okay, and these are the latus rectum. So now these are the important points, please by heart these things also. Chord, focal chord, double ordinate, latus rectum, these are the important one. Now we'll start with the exercise 3a. Okay, so we'll go for the exercise 3a. Now here section 1, first question is given, that find the vertex and focus of this given equation here. So what is the equation here? 4y square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 is equal to 0 is given in the first question here. Now solution will come like this here. So what is the given equation here? So given that 4y square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 is equal to 0 is given here. Okay, now in this I will write this 4y square minus 20y here. Okay, and remaining terms I will take to the right side of the equation, that is minus 12x and minus 67. Okay, so this will 2 will come here. I will common 4 from these two terms. Okay, 4 I will common, y square minus 4 5 20y now, so 5y is equal to minus 12x minus 67 will come here. So I will bring this 4 to the right side of the equation, it will become y square minus 5y is equal to minus 12x divided by 4 minus 67 divided by 4 will come here. So 4 1 ja, 4 3 ja will come here, and what will remain here? Y square minus 5y is equal to minus 3x minus 67 divided by 4 will remain here. So if we have to convert y square minus 5y into y minus some any like y minus some term whole square is equal to, we have to do so. So what we have to multiply here means what we can multiply, you can say anything. So 25 by like 5 by 4 we can write na. So 5 by 4. So 5 by 4 means this will come here, means 5 by 2 we can take. 2 will get cancelled in this one na. So 5 will remain. So 2 into by 2 means 2 will get cancelled. 5 by 2 we can take. So 5 by 2 whole square means 25 by 5. So 25 by 4 2 we will add to the both sides of the equation. 25 by 4 I will add to the both sides of the equation for this one. So it will become y square minus 5y plus 25 divided by 4 I will take here this side, and is equal to, so here minus 3x minus 67 divided by 4 plus I am taking 4 plus 25 by 4 I will take. So this I am writing here. So you understand this one. So what I am adding 25 by 4, because this I am going to convert into the y square y minus 5 by 2 whole square in this form is equal to what we get here. If we this do LCM, so it will become 4, and 67 minus 4 25 is equal to 42 will come. Means here what will come, minus 3x minus 42 divided by 4 will come. So 4 only na, so 4 only will come here. So if we cancel this one, so 2 2 ja 2, 21 ja will come here. Okay, means here minus 3x minus 20 divided by 2 will come here. So after this, y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to what we'll get, minus 3 will come, so it will become x plus 7 by 2 will come here. So minus 3 into 7, 21, minus 27 is there na, so this one. So here this end of the equation we got here. So from this we'll do one thing. So we'll compare this one with the in your textbook, go there, so where you will find the sixth formula or sixth equation of parabola you will find there, that is y minus k whole square is equal to y minus k whole square is equal to, so minus 4a into x minus h you will find there. So this is equation same like this only, no? X minus h means this we can write it as x minus of minus 7 by 2 also we can write this one, no? So this one same in this form only. Okay, so what is the equation here? Y minus 5 by 2 whole square is equal to minus 3 into this one, x minus of 7 by 2 will come here. So we'll comparing with this one, na? So it will get the k value is 5 by 2 and h value is minus 7 by 2 and a value is equal to this one minus 3 by 4, means 3 by 4 will come only, plus 3 by 4. So here this is minus means that's why here y is equal to 3 by 4 will come. So here vertex is equal to, we have to find vertex is what, so we have to, he asking us to find vertex and focus only, na? So first vertex is h comma k. So what is h comma k means? Minus 7 by 2 comma k is equal to how much? 5 by 2. This will come here. After that what we have to find? Focus formula for this one is equal to h minus a comma k will come. So h minus a means how much here? H is equal to how much? H is equal to what we have got? Minus 7 by 2, no? So minus 7 by 2. A is equal to how much we got? 3 by 4. That 3 by 4 add will minus will be 3 by 4 comma here what will come? H comma k, this is k, no? So here k means 5 by 2 will come here. So this will become LCM will become 4. Okay, is equal to 4 divided minus 14 minus 3 will come here. 2 7 are 14, so 3 will come here. 2 7 are 14, no? So here 5 by 2 will come here. So what is the answer here? Minus 17 divided by 4 comma 5 by 2 is the answer will come here. Where this one question is focus, this focus. Okay, here I wrote here. Now this is the first question, end of this first question. Now moving to the second question here. Now second question is given that find the vertex and focus of the given equation here. Solution here. So what is given, that x square minus 6x minus 6y plus 6 is equal to 0. This is a given equation here, given that. So in this I will keep this one this side and I will take this side of the equation, these two terms. Here this question will come x square minus 6x is equal to 6y minus 6 will come here. 6y minus 6 will come here. So if you have to make it in convert into the x minus some whole square means, so it will become 2 into 3, no? So we can 3 square, na? So 3 square add to, so it will become, I will add both sides of the equation with the 9 I will add to the both sides. Okay, so it will become x square minus 6x plus 9 I will add this side, and 9 also 6 minus 6y minus 6 plus 9 I will add this side. Okay, 9. So it will become x minus 3 whole square will come here. This will come as 6y plus 3 will come here. Okay, na? So this 9 minus 6 will become plus 3. Now this equation what we have got now here, so we can do something more here also. So what we can do here, I will common 3 from these terms, or else I will common 6 from these terms. Okay, x minus 3 whole square is equal to, I will common this term, so it will become y plus 1 by 2 will come here. 6 1 ja 6, if we divide, so it will become 3 will come here. I will take this type of. Okay, now I will compare this equation with this. In your textbook page number 1110, there is a one formula is there, like parabola is there, that is 8th parabola, no 7th parabola. Okay, sorry, 7th parabola. So that is x minus h whole square into 4a into some y minus k we can write here. So y is there, na? Y minus k means minus 1 by 2 we can write here. So I will compare this one, x minus h whole square is equal to 4a into, this is in the place, no? That's why I am taking 4a and y minus k. In this we have to compare this one. Here what we have to find? Vertex and first focus here. So from this vertex is come like this, vertex, what is the vertex? Vertex will come h comma k, we know already. So h comma k means here k is equal to -1 from this one, okay. H is equal to how much here? 3 comma how much will come? -1/2 will come. So this one vertex, okay. Vertex completed. Now we have to find focus. What is focus of this one? What is the focus formula? So you see there that in the focus is given as h comma a plus k is given in your textbook. See that one, okay, in the page number 110, okay. Go there and check once, then only you will understand every problem, okay. So here h is equal to how much is we got here? H is equal to, so x minus h, no, -3 means 3 will get, okay. A is equal to how much we got? A is equal to, we did not get anything, huh? So 4a is equal to 6 na. A is equal to, we'll get 6/4 will get here, 6/4 will get here. Here a is equal to 2 2 ja, 2 3 ja, so 3/2 will come, 3/2. Here k is equal to how much? K is equal to -1/2, no. So this -1/2 I will write here, -1/2. So LCM is 2, okay. So here 3 comma 2, LCM is 2, and here 3 minus 1 2, 2 1 ja, 2 1 ja will get cancelled, is equal to 3 will get here. So 3 comma 1 will get here, okay. So this is the answer where we have to find the solution here. Now third question is given that find the equation of the axis. Now change the formula, okay. Focus vertex is gone, now axis we got here, and directrix also we have to find. The of the parabola is given here, okay. Now solution here, what is the given equation is? Find the equation of this one, no, okay. So here given that equation is y square plus 6y minus 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 is given here. So I will this two terms I will take to the right side of the equation. It will become y square plus 6y is equal to 2x minus 5 will come here. So I will add 9 to the both sides of the equation, okay. Adding 9 to the both sides of the equation, it will become y square plus 6y plus 9 is equal to, so it will become 2x minus 5 plus 9 will come now. So in this it will become y plus 3 whole square will come here. Now in this we'll get as 4, 2x minus how much will get here? Plus 4 will get here. So this is, we can write it as y plus 3 whole square is equal to 2 will come into x plus 2 will remain here. So I will take this, I will compare this equation with this like fifth parabola of your page number 109, your textbook page number, that one, fifth one. So there y minus k whole square is equal to, so here y minus k whole square is equal to, so 4a into x minus h. I will compare with this one, okay. So see in your textbook please, 109 page number there na, fifth one, y minus k is equal to, k whole square is equal to, there you will find axis of parabola, there y minus k, axis of parabola is how much is given? Y minus k is equal to 0 is given. And what other thing we have to find? Directrix also we have to find. So directrix is how much is given here? X plus x minus plus HA is equal to 0. This is directrix is given here, directrix, okay. So these two terms we have to find now. So first we will find the values of this one. So here y minus k is equal to 0, first axis of parabola. So here y is equal to, what is there? Y is equal to y only there. So k is equal to, so from this y minus k is equal to -3 will come here. K is equal to -3. So means here y minus of -3 is equal to 0. So y plus 3 is equal to 0 is a parabola's axis. This given parabola's axis. Now directrix is we have to find now. So from this x is equal to, so here x only. So minus h is equal to, here -2 will come, means +2 will become, and a is equal to, so what will come? A is equal to this 4a is equal to 2 na. So here a is equal to 2/4 will come. So 2 1 ja, 2 2 ja will get cancelled. A is equal to 1/2 will come here from this. So here 1/2 is equal to 0 will come here. 1/2 is equal to 0 will come. So this is cross multiplication. 2x plus 4 plus 1 divided by 2 is equal to 0. So 2x plus 5 is equal to 0 here. This one will come here, 2x plus 5. So this is the directrix of this given equation. now end of this third question, what we have to find? First axis of parabola and another thing directrix. These two we got here. Now moving to the fourth one here. Now fourth question he given that find the equation of the axis he asking us to find, and directrix also he asking us to find of the parabola. Now solution here. So what is the given equation here? So 4x square plus 12x minus 20y plus 67 is equal to 0 is given here. Okay, so this is the fourth question. So where we take these two terms to the right side of the equation, we'll get like this: 4x square plus 12x, okay, 4x square plus 12x is equal to 20y plus minus 67 will come here. Minus 67 will come here. Now in this, so here 2x square, na? So 2x will come, 2x plus some here 2x into 6x, 6 to that well. So what we have to add here means 9 by 4 I will add to, means 3 by 2 I will add. So okay, so I will add both sides of 9 by 4 I will add, will become these two times, two sides of the equation I will add 9 by 4. So it will become 4x square plus 12x plus 9 by 4 will come here. It will become 20y minus, okay, 67 is plus 9 by 4 will come here. 9 by 4 will come. So in this it will become 2x plus 3 by 2 whole square will come here. 3 by 2 whole square. Here something will take this one. Here 4 will common from these two terms. This will cancel here. Will cancel this one. So it will 4 will goes there. So it will become, before adding only we'll do one thing. Here will common 4 from these two terms. It will become 4 into x square plus 3x will come now. So is equal to, this 4 will come this side, means 20y minus 67 will come here. So in this 4 will goes there, x square plus 3x is equal to 5y minus 67 divided by 4 will come here. So now here we add 9 by 4 to this equation, not this equation. So this is some mistake we got here. Here x square plus 3x plus 9 by 4 will come here. Okay, 5y minus 67 divided by 4 plus 9 by 4 will get here. 9 by 4 will add here. So it will become x plus, what we get here, x plus 3 by 2 whole square will get here is equal to, this will become 5y minus 4 is the LCM of this one here. 4 is LCM. So if we minus will do, so it will become minus 58, means 58 will come here. So this equation we got here. From this what we can common here, we can come, this will cancel, no, 2 2 ja 2, 29 ja. Okay, so if I common 5 from these two terms, so it will become x plus 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 5 I will common from these two terms, so y minus, it will become 29 divided by 10 will come here. 29 divided by 10 will come. So this equation I will compare with the in your textbook, like 110 page number. There you will find x minus h whole square is equal to 4a minus y minus k. So that is seventh parabola. I will compare with this one. So what is this one? X minus h whole square. X minus h whole square is equal to 4a into y minus k. So for this, what we have to find? Axis, no? Axis and directrix. What is the axis here? Axis of parabola is x minus h. Axis. X minus h. And x is equal to how much here? X only. So from this, minus h is equal to x minus h, no? Minus 3 by 2 will come now. So here minus 3 by 2. Here already minus there, and minus 3 by 2 plus 3 by 2 will come is equal to 0. Now another thing, what we have to find? Directrix. Directrix. Okay, directrix. What is the directrix here? What is this one directrix here? The page number 110 page low. So directrix of the y minus k plus a is equal to 0 here. Okay, y is equal to y minus k is equal to how much we get? K is equal to, in the equation, k is equal to 29 by 10, no? So 29 by 10 plus a is equal to how much we get here? No, we didn't get anything, no? So 5 na. So here a 4a is equal to 5. A is equal to 5 by 4 will come here. So 5 by 4 will come here is equal to 0 will come. So if you want to do LCM, you do here, it will become answer come like this. LCM is will come as how much will come means we'll do here LCM 10 comma 4, no? So 2 5 ja 2 2 ja. So 5 to the 10, 10 to the 20. 20 will LCM will come here. 20 y will come here minus 10 na 2. 48 will come here. here 4 5 ja 20 na, 5 5 ja 25 will come here is equal to 0. So what will come answer here? 20y. So this is 4 5 ja na, so 4 5 ja 20. So here this 5 5 ja 25. Okay, 2 9 ja 48. This is 48. Okay, so it will become 23 will come here. 23 is equal to 0 of this equation. So 20y minus 23 is equal to 0. So this is the directrix of the given equation. Okay, now moving to the fifth one. Now here fifth question here, find the equation of the parabola whose focus is given here, S is equal to, and the vertex is A is given here. So what he asking us to find the equation of the parabola. Now solution here. So first we will make the diagram for this one. So here he is saying that this focus and this vertex is given. We'll write first one, S is equal to 1 comma minus 7 and A is equal to 1 comma minus 2 is given na? So in this coordinates of A, this will think that A are equal here. Okay, so coordinates of x values, here you have to write here x coordinates in the A point and S point are equal here. So we can write is the axis. So what you have to find the equation of this parabola. So first we'll find the axis to that also. So means like this will come here like this. If these are two axes, so it will become 1 is in the minus place 7. So in the axis of 1 only na, so here 1 only, so it will become minus 1 comma minus 7 no? So it will come like this in the x axis too. So here another point will come as 1 comma minus 2 will come here. So parabola will come like this something. Okay, so this we have to find here. We have to find the equation of the parabola. This we'll have to find. Now coordinates A and R are this first coordinates, x coordinates are equal here. So means what we'll get here, this axis, whichever this axis is there na, it is parallel to the y axis. Okay, this is y axis, this is x axis, this is y axis thing that in the 1th page, in the 1th, this is 1 2 like this will come na, so this is 1 2 like this. This is like this here. The directrix, we think the directrix are axis are here. Okay, now in this it is also equal parallel to the like y axis. Now what is the A value come here means A is equal to the distance between these two terms is equal to, so A is equal to AS will come here from this. Okay, we have to find the parabola no, so parabola we need A value compulsory 4A like this one. Okay na? So in this A is equal to distance between these two equations, these 2 points. Okay, distance between these two points will get the A value. So here under root of what are the points x1 y1 x2 y2 no, x2 y2. So here y2 minus x2 minus x1 whole square, x2 is equal to 1 minus 1 whole square plus y2 minus y1 square is equal to minus 2 plus 7 whole square will come here. From this under root of this will become 0 plus this will become 5 whole square. So it will become 5 will be the answer. A is equal to, so 5 will be the answer. So equation of parabola will come as, equation of parabola will take it as x minus h whole square is equal to minus 4a into y minus k will take here. Okay, so x minus h means, okay, what will come here, h is equal to this vertex is only na, so here vertex is h comma k na, we know already. Okay, so h is equal to how much, 1, x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 4a into is equal to 5. Here will come is what y minus k is equal to how much will come, h comma k no, so it will become y plus 2 is equal to y plus 2 will come here. So 5 4 ja 20 will come. So x minus 1 whole square is equal to minus 20 y plus 2 is the answer here. So if you want to expand this also, you can expand x minus 1 whole square, you can expand, and after this you bring this all terms to the left side of the equation. That will be the also the equation of the parabola will come here. Okay, now I will move to the next question, sixth one. This is very very important, that is a tricky question. Okay, now students, this is very very important question. You will find this as same like fifth question only, this fifth question only, but there is a x axis. So like x terms there na, x comma x1 y1 and x2 comma y2, these two terms are there na. So these two, this one and this one, where you will find x values are different, x values are equal here, but in the sixth question you will find these x terms are 3 comma 1. So these are the two different, but different, that's why this is different question totally from this fifth question. So what we have to do means we'll do that one here. First we'll go for like fifth question only. You will find example number 2, like problem number 2, solved problem number. There you will find 113 page. So please solve that also. So very important. So there is given, so that's I copied here. So like that's I did here. So very important. You do that one. Okay. So that one also. So that is second problem. Very important. Now I will go for the sixth problem here. Sixth problem is not given like anything here. So I am doing that sixth problem. It is differently only. Now students, I am saying this is very important because there is no example like this one, a solved problem like this one. So we have to do concentrationally. So if you miss anything, you will lose this problem. So here I will take this equation to the like slowly for your convenience. I will tell this okay slowly. So here focus is given as, what is the focus is given? 3 comma 5 is given, okay, and vertex is given as how much? 1 comma 3. Vertex A and focus S is given here. So I will write here, I will draw the diagram of this one, is that will help you to find this one. Okay, so it will take long time to do this question here. So it will x axis I am taking here, and y axis also I am taking here. Okay, y axis. Okay, now here this is a x axis and y axis, and parabola I will take like this here. Okay, here we have to find this equation of the parabola here. Now he is saying that S focus is in this place here. I did like some, like will come here like this parabola. So here focus will take that here focus S. Okay, now A is a vertex. Okay, here I will take A. So the equation of parabola we have to find now. So focus is give this one and vertex is in. Now here I will take another directrix here. Okay, directrix this one here. So first we have to find the A is there now vertex, and S is also there, and I will take this as a Z here. Okay, Z, and here point that on this one here I will take some like any P point, some anything like this is M, like this anything. So already we know this is X and this is X dash, and this is Y dash, and this is Y will come here. Already we took. Now in this first we have to find the equation of this axis here. Okay, this axis. So we don't know this what is this parabola. First we will find this axis only here, like solution here. So what is the equation of axis? Equation of what is the general form of equation is means y minus y1 is equal to x2 minus y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1. No? So this is already we know into x minus x1. So this is already we know, that is the formula we discussed in the 10th class, something like coordinate geometry like that. So this is M total. So in this we will submit this x1 y1 and x2 y2, we will get the axis. Okay, y minus y1 is equal to how much? 5 is equal to y2 minus y1. So y2 is equal to 3 minus y1 is equal to 5 divided by, so x2 minus x1, x2 is equal to 1 minus 3 will come here, and x minus x1 is equal to how much? 3. So from this y minus 5 is equal to, this will become minus 2 divided by minus 2 will come, it will become what will come here? Minus 2 minus plus 1, like 2 cancel, and it will become 1 will come here. 1 means x minus 3 only will come here, x minus 3 only will come. So I will take this one, it will become x minus y, it will go this side, so it will become plus 2 will come here, it will become 0. So axis is how much we got? Axis. So this axis we got here, x minus y plus 2 is equal to 0 of this given equation. So here this P2S is the one point, we'll think that. So S is there na. Okay, so this is some distance here. Now here A value, A coordinates we know, and S coordinates know, and Z coordinates I will take Z, it is x comma y I will take here. Okay, x comma y. Now here this is the equation of directrix. Okay, axis to the A to S, A to S axis. This is A to S axis. Now this axis perpendicular to this directrix, no? Okay, this directrix, total this directrix, this is okay. I will take this direct Z as a x comma y, no? So the directrix perpendicular to this one, no? So directrix equation of directrix will come like this. Directrix equation will come as x plus y plus k is equal to 0 will come. This is equation of directrix. Okay, and it will we can take here a is a midpoint of this z comma yes, no, z comma yes. So midpoint of this one will come as s comma z. A is a midpoint, no. So a is equal to how much? 1 comma 3, no. So we'll do the one thing. Midpoint will find midpoint of sz. Midpoint of sz means s is equal to how much? S is equal to 3 comma 5 means z is equal to x1 comma y1, x2 comma y2 means this is x plus x1 plus x2 by 2, no. 3 divided by 2, y1 plus y2 by 2 means y plus 5 divided by 2. So is equal to a is equal to 1 comma 3. So 1 comma 3. So x plus 3 divided by 2 is equal to 1 will come. Okay, and I think y plus 5 divided by 2 is equal to 3 will come here. So these two will come here. So from this we'll get the x value. X is equal to 2 minus 3 minus 1 will get here, and y is equal to 6 and it will become plus 1. Y is equal to 1 will get here. So these two values of z we got here. Okay, z values minus 1 comma z is equal to minus 1 comma 1. So this point lies on this directrix. So means these values I will submit into the this one. Okay, perpendicular to the this one, no? So in this axis, no. So it will become I will submit in this one, so it will become minus 1 plus 1 and plus k is equal to 0, no. So k is equal to 0 will get here. Perpendicular directrix will what will get? X plus y is equal to 0 will get here. This one we will get here. Now we got this directrix also we got here. What is one? Directrix, and h comma k also we got here. Now this is a equation, no. So this is directrix equation. What we have to find? Equation of the parabola. These total things. So what is the equation of parabola here means? So you go there in your textbook page number there is formulas we discussed, na. 9 formulas are there, na. So last formula, that is x minus alpha. So here I am writing x minus alpha whole square plus y minus beta whole square is equal to lx plus my plus n whole square, na, divided by under root of L square plus m square. So in this alpha comma beta we will have to take, and alpha comma beta that we will take, alpha comma beta will take as a focus. Okay, alpha comma beta this will take. So we'll focus points will take in this one alpha comma beta, and what we have got the equation, this one equation will submit in this one. Now x minus alpha means 3 here whole square plus y minus beta is equal to 5 whole square is equal to lx plus my plus lx, this my will think that later n is equal to 0, no. So x plus y whole square will come divided by, so l is in the place 1 only, here 1 plus 1 will come here, l square m square means 1 plus 1 will come here, this will become 2 here. So this total will become x minus 3 whole square plus y minus 5 whole square is equal to x plus y whole square divided by 2 will come. So we have to expand this total terms. Okay, we have to expand this total terms. So we'll do expand here. So if we expand this to x square minus 2 3 are 6, no. 6x plus 9 here plus y square minus 2 5 are 10 y plus 5 5 are 25 is equal to, so this will become total into 2. This total will come this side, and will become x square plus y square plus 2xy will come here. So this total answer will come here, and so this is 2x square minus 12x plus 12 2 18 and 2y square minus 20y plus 50 is equal to x square plus y square minus 2x plus 2xy, na. So these three terms I will bring to this side. Okay, it will become 2x square minus x square, x square will come here, this y square minus y square means plus y square will come here. So minus 12x will come here, and minus 20y will come, and after that plus 22xy will come here. After that 18 plus 50, how much will come? 68 will come here. This is the answer of given question here. So this 2 minus 2 plus 2y will come, it will become minus 2y will come here. This is the end of the equation here. Now total completed of this sixth one. So please note it clearly step by step. I write it confusion way after looking this my question only. So please do step by step, it will come easily to your answer. Now I will go for the next question here. So dear student, 8th one I will discuss 7th one later. Now I will find the solution of 7th one later. Now we'll do this 8th one is very easy, that's why I am taking this one. Here first question is given that, so first we'll read this question total. Find the position, asking us to find the position interior or exterior on the of the following points with respect to the parabola. Oh, parabola like this na. So on this one exterior, okay, this is interior. So this total is given in your 111 page number in your textbook, page number 111. So you will find this 3.1.16th like that is parabola, a point and a point in the plane of the parabola. So is given that. So you will do those things 3.17 there na diagram. So you will find these things. So please go there once, check. It is very easy. You will get easily. Okay. So it may be important for your 2 marks question. So find the position of the interior of the and exterior on the following the points of the parabola is what is given. Parabola y square is equal to 6x is given. So he used in this question or like 6.1.16 he used like what he used means S11 is he used here, S11. So means S11 is y1 square minus 4ax1 he used this one. Okay. 4ax means in this we have to submit now. So this will become S11 means S11 is equal to, it will become y1 square minus 6x1 will come here. So from this we have to find the value of a and we have to do these things. Are given x and y values, we have to submit in this equation, we have to find the value. So now I will take this x and y values in this one. This will think that x1 y1. Okay. So it will become y1 is equal to minus 6 whole square minus 6 into x is equal to 6. This is 6 is 36, 6 is 36. 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. Okay, 36 minus 36 is equal to 0. So means 0 will come to, this will lies on the like parabola. So this point lies on the parabola, given parabola. So on this equation this will be laid down this. Okay. Now second question here, solution here. Here y square is equal to 6x no. So parabola is S11 is equal to y square minus 6x. So it will become y1 square minus x1 square. x1 y1 will think that, so it will become y1 square is equal to 1 square minus 6 into 1. 6 into 0 is equal to how much will come? So 1 only will come. So it is value in the plus sign. So what is means plus sign means it is greater than 0. So means it will become outside the parabola. This lies outside of parabola. Now this one will do here solution. So in this y square minus 6x no. So it will become S11 is equal to y1 whole square minus y1 square minus 6x1 no. So in this y1 is equal to how much? Third one. So y1 is equal to x1 y1 no. So 3 whole square minus this 6 to ja 6 into 2. So it will become 9 minus 6 to 12 is equal to minus 3 will come. So this is less than 0 no. So it will become less than 0. 0 se chota hai. So it will become means it is inside the parabola. So means inside this one. Minus means inside. Minus 3 inside will come. 0 to on the parabola. So outside the parabola means exterior. Outside the parabola means plus values. 1 or plus values. Okay. So this is negative values. So these are the important 2 marks 1 mark questions. So no 2 marks only no. So this is 2 marks question may be useful. Now moving to the next question. So dear students, this 9th question is very important. Here given parabola is solution here. Given parabola is what? Parabola. What? Y square is equal to 8x no. Okay. So from this 4ax means a is equal to 4a is equal to 8. We can take a is equal to 8 by 4. 4 1 ja 4 2 ja means a is equal to 2 will get na. So from this so we'll get a. Now he's saying that focal distance is given 10. Here focal distance is given 10. So what is the focal distance formula? Focal distance formula. So you will find this focal distance formula x1 plus a in your textbook. Okay, textbook, that is page number 111 only, 1111. Okay, so in this page number you will find 3.1.13. so this is very very important, you go there and check once. Okay, focal distance formula is given x1 plus a. So this is x1 plus a is given. So a is we got here. Okay, a is we got here. The focal distance means this what will there like this, if we parabola will like this, so it will become what we can take here. So s is a point something here we take. Okay, so here px comma y will take here. Okay, this one. So focal point distance here how much is given? This is 10 is given here, 10. Okay, 10 is given here. Now so this focal point is how much? x1 plus a na. So I will take ps is equal to x1 plus a na. So is equal to what we will get here, distance is this, focal distance is how much here? ps only na. So focal distance, okay, ps sp or ps, x1 plus a, and x1 plus a is equal to distance is how much is given from the question? 10 this one. So a is equal to how much we got? How much we got? 2. So x1 plus 2 is equal to 10, and x1 is equal to how much we'll get? 8 1 will get here. X1 is equal to, okay na. So what we have to find here, y1 also we have to find. I will we have this y there na. So y1 square is equal to 8 x1 will get. So in this I will submit y1 square is equal to 8 into x1 is equal to 8. So y1 is equal to under root of 8 into 8. So it will become 8 will come here. So y1 is equal to 8. Okay, so this will become plus or minus 8 we can take, because in the root no, so it will become plus or minus 8. So x1 comma y1, so what we have to find the coordinates, no. So only he asking us to find the coordinates on the of the point of parabola. So this parabola p coordinates x1 y1 is equal to, so plus 8 comma plus or minus 8 will come here. This is x1 comma y1 on this one. Okay, x1 comma y1. So this is the p coordinate. Now end of this question here. Now moving to the next question. Students, here 7th question is very very important. Please concentration on this question. Find the equation of the parabola he asking us to find, whose lattice rectum is given is line segment joining the points, this one lattice rectum. Okay, so here we'll draw the parabola like this. Okay, so in this we'll take this as x-axis. Okay, x-axis, this is lattice rectum is given here. Okay, so this is L 3 comma minus 3 comma 2, and this is L dash minus 3 comma 1 is given here from this. Okay, now to these two we got here, this is S. Okay, this is A here, this is A. Now in this here this is L dash is a lattice rectum. Okay, these are the minus 3 comma 2, and these are the, this is lattice rectum. Now solution here. So what is the points given here? Minus 3 comma 2 is given, and minus 3 comma 1 is another point is given here. So this is L and this is L dash, we think that. Okay, so from this the midpoint of this thing is S only na. So S, midpoint of this S, so we'll find this S is equal to x1 plus x2 by 2, so means x1 plus x2 by 2. So how much will come? Minus 6 divided by 2 will come. y1 plus y2 by 2 means 3 by 2 will come here. So this 2 1 ja 2 3 ja, so is equal to minus 3 by 2 comma, sorry, minus 3 comma 3 by 2 will come here. So this one. And another thing here, so distance between this L and L dash is equal to under root of how much will come? x2 minus x1 whole square na. So x2 minus x1 whole square means minus 3 plus 3 whole square, plus y2 minus y1 whole square means 1 minus 2 whole square here. So it will become, this is 0 will come here, plus 1 will come here under root. So 1 is the answer. So distance will become is 1 here. So this is total distance. Okay, 1. So means here this is 1 is equal to 4a. So is equal to 1, this 1. Okay, distance between focal like that one. So a is equal to 1 by 4 will come from this. A is equal to 1 by 4 value will come here. So this is plus or minus 4 we can take, we have to take. So means once we have to a is equal to minus 1 by 4 we have to take, a is equal to plus 1 by 4 we have to take to do this, find the solution here. Now in this, if I do the coordinates of this equation will come like this, coordinate of coordinates. So this is midpoint we got, coordinates of so if we add this s is how much we got, no, s is equal to how much we got, where we has value, this one, minus 3 comma 3 by 2 is there na. So this is s. If I add a value to, it will become to this point. If I add a value to, so this is a will come here, because on the parabola will come here, the point will, okay. So I will add this a to the this what we have got, s point. So in this s we will find a. In this if I take a is equal to minus 1 by 4 though, so minus 3 and minus 1 by 4 comma 3 by 2, okay. So this I am taking here, and it will become the answer will become here. So this minus of minus will come here, minus into minus plus will become a is equal to minus 3 plus 1 by 4 will come, and 3 by 2 will come here. So it will become 4 3 are 12, and 12 means minus 11 by 4 will come here, comma 3 by 2 will come. So this is the a value in the first case. So or in the a is equal to minus 4 if I take to. Now this is the coordinates of a. So what we have to find here means the equation of the parabola, equation of parabola. So h comma, so k here, we'll take equation of parabola is y minus k whole square is equal to 4a into x minus h will take here, this one, okay. This formula will take here, in this will submit the values y minus h comma k. So this is 3 by 2 whole square is equal to 4a, 4 into a is equal to how much we took, minus 1 by 4 na, so this one, and x minus h is equal to how much we got, minus this minus 11 by 4, minus 11 by 4. Now from this it will become this 3 by 2 no, 2y minus 3 whole square divided by this 2, I will write separate whole square. So it will become 4a, so 4a into x minus h no. So this 4 1 ja 4 1 ja will get cancelled. X is equal to how much, x only, x minus h is equal to minus and minus plus here 11 will come here, x plus 11 by 4 will come here in this one. So this one 4a, 4 into 4 1 minus 1 by 4, and x is equal to x only, minus h is equal to minus 11 by 2. So minus into minus plus h by 2 will come. So it will become minus into x plus 11 by 4 will come here, x plus 11 by 4 will come here. So this cross multiplication will come here, so 4 2y minus 3 whole square divided by 4 will come is equal to minus of this will come 4x plus 11 divided by 4 will come. So both 4 will get cancelled, the remaining term is 2y minus 3 whole square plus is equal to minus 4x plus 11 will come here. This is the end of the equation with the case number 1, or a is equal to minus 1 by 4. You take a is equal to 1 by 4 and do this same method, same like this, you will get the answer. You submit in this equation only again, so you will get the answer of any other parabola will come here. So maximum will come in this plus values or something change will, that's it, and this answer will come here. You do that one, you take this a is equal to 1 by 4. I will go for the next question, okay. Now here 10th question is given that if 1 by 2 comma 2 is the extremity of focal chord of the parabola is given, and y is equal to, parabola is given, y square is equal to 8x, and find the coordinates of the other extremity he is asking us to find. So one extremity is given that 1 by 2 comma 2, here he is saying that, and focal chord of the parabola is y square is equal to 8x. Now solution here, so a is equal to this point will take here 1 by 2 comma 2, this is okay. Now here we'll take this parabola like this, this is a parabola on the axis, this one, okay, this x axis here. So this a will take on this one 1 by 2 comma 2, and other thing will take this up to here b, okay, b x1 comma y1 here. Now in this s is equal to given that here, so what will come here, s is equal to, here s focus is come like this, y square is equal to 8x na. So in this 4a is equal to 8, a is equal to 2 will come. So 2 comma 0 will come from this. Okay, S is focus is, okay, this S focus is here. One thing we have to find here, these two we got now, so here B value we have to find, we have to get. So B is equal to already x1 comma y1 is there, so x1 is equal to, we can write this from this one, y1 square d is equal to 8x1 we can write now. So from this x1 we can write x1 is equal to y square divided by y1 square divided by 8 we can write. So means y1 square divided by 8 comma x1 will so y1 will come here, y1. So this will get here. Okay, now here see this one, so A to S and B to S, these are perpendicular to this x axis, so we have to show this, these are two these two are equal, AS and SB are equal, has to show this one. So then we'll get the answer of this one. First we'll find the slope of AS is equal to, so what is the slope formula? Y2 minus y1 by x2 minus x1 only, no? So y2 minus y1 means, so this one y2 minus y1, 0 minus 2, so this y1 this is y2, this is y1, this is x1, this is x2, so x2 minus x1 minus 2 minus 1 by 2, so is equal to 2 to the 4, so minus 2 divided by 4, 4 to the 4, 4 minus 1 minus 3 by 2, no? So 3 by 2 will come here, 3 by 2, so 2 will go upside, it will come minus 4 by 3 will come, slope of AS. And we have to find the slope of other thing, what we have to find, slope of SB or BS. So it will become what will come, so from these two things, what one other thing, B is there, S is there, and B is value y1 square divided by 8 comma y1, no? So this, so this one y2 minus y1 whole square, y2 is how much, y1, so y2 in this place, y1 is there, y1 minus 0 divided by, and x2 minus x1, x2 is equal to how much here, y1 square by 8 minus 0 is there, minus 0, no? So no, it will become y2 minus y1, x2 minus x1. Okay, so here x2 minus x1 means 2 will come here, so this is y1 divided by, so 8 to the 16, no? 8 to the 16, y1 square minus 16, so this 8 will go upside, it will become 8y, 8y1 will come here. So this will get here, these two slopes are equal, we'll think that, so it will become, so AS is equal to SB will come here. So AS is equal to how much we got, minus 4 by 3 is equal to 8y1 divided by y1 square minus 16 will come here. So we'll do cross multiplication of this equation. Okay, cross multiplication of this equation, so we'll get the value of minus 4 y1 square is equal to minus 4 16 just 64 plus 64 will come here. Okay, here minus into minus plus 64 will come here is equal to 3 8 1 24 y1 will come here, 24 y1 will come. So we'll bring this side to the equation, it will become minus 4 y1 square minus 24 y1 minus plus 64 will come here is equal to 0. So if I common from these two term in this 4 though, it will become minus 4 common though, it will become y1 square minus I will common now 4 6 24 plus 6 y1 come plus 6 4 4 4 1 4, so 4 1 4 4 1 4 2 4 8 4 6 what will come 4 6 4 6 24 means 16 will come here, 16 is equal to 0 will come. I am commoning 4 from all these terms, so I will factorize this one and split the term, it will become y1 square plus 8 to the 16, no? So minus 8x no, what will come here, wait 61. Okay, so if I common minus in this one, so it will become minus 16 will come, na? So minus 16, minus means 8x minus 2y1 minus 8y1 minus 2y1 minus 16 is equal to 0 will come. So y1 common, so it will become y1 plus 8 will come minus 2 common, so y1 plus 8 will come in here is equal to 0. y1 is equal to 1 minus plus 2 will come, y1 is equal to 8 will come, minus 8. So these two terms will come from this one, and we have to find x value also, no? So what is the x values, how we will get the x values from? Okay, so that will do here. x1 is equal to y1 square divided by 8, no? So in this I will submit x1 is equal to y1 is equal to, first I will take 2, so 2 square by 8 is equal to 4 divided by 8, 4 1 ja 4 2 ja. So another thing is 8 is there, na, minus 8, it will become minus 8 ante 64 divided by 8 will come 8 1 ja 8 8 ja. So x1 is equal to, once it will become 8 and once become 1 by 2 will come here. These are the two terms of x1 values. So now the other extremity will come as 8 comma minus 8 will come here, other extremity. Okay, so this is y1, here x1 is 8 comma minus 8. So these are the extremity of another extremity. Now moving to the next question. Now here 11th question is, prove that the parabola is y square minus 4ax is equal, now nearest to the focus of its vertex he is asking us to find here. So first we will draw the diagram. So some will get like this, here this one will come, this is x-axis, okay, this is, will take a y-axis here, okay, y-axis, y dash, x dash, okay, it will come like this. Here we will take a value, we know already this is a. Yes, value will take here, this is p value x1 comma y1 will take here, and this is here a is equal to, means from this a is equal to how much, s is equal to a comma 0 will come na. So for y is equal to 4x means so y is equal to, y square is equal to 4x. So this is focus. Focus we got how much? Focus we will get focus will get a comma 0. This is u, sir. Solution here. Now we'll take parametric point here. Parametric point. What is the parametric point? P is a t square comma 2at is a parametric point. So this is px comma y. This we will take here. Okay. Now here he saying that y square is equal to 4ax is the nearest to the focus. Nearest to the focus, this one, to this nearest. We will find that one. So focus will already got this one, and we have to do here sp. So distance between the sp is equal to, sp square is equal to, will come like this. So sp is equal to under root of some x2 minus x1 whole square plus x2 minus x1 whole square plus y2 minus y whole square. Na? In this I am submitting squaring on both sides, so it will get cancelled, will remain that one. So I am doing this one, x2 minus x1 whole square. From which one x2 minus x1 whole square I am doing here, means focus to this given point p x comma gamma, this is x1, this is y1, that. So here x2 minus x1 whole square means x2 is equal to how much, at square. So a t square minus x1 is equal to how much, a whole square will come, plus y2 minus y2 is equal to how much, 2at minus y1 is equal to 0 whole square will come here. So sp square is equal to, this is a square minus t square will come now. So from this this is sp here, this is p of x, no. So this will take the p of t. Okay, this is sp whole square is equal to f dash of t I will do here. This f dash of t I will do, so it will become 2 into, so t will become comes 2 will become comes here, because a power of n formula f of like this, you got n into a power of n minus 1, no. So this will come, so it will become 2 into a t square minus a will come. So derivative of this will become 2at means 2at will come, 2at will come, na. So right, 2at will come here. So plus here 2 into 2at will come, and into, so here 2t will come here again. Okay, 2t, derivative of these things. Okay, so it will become, this will come here. From this 2 into 2 to the 4, no. So 4at will come here, 4a at, no. So from this I will come on a, these two terms, so it will become, so it will become t square minus 1 into t will come here, t square minus 1 into t will come, and plus from this 2 to the 4, 4 to the 4 to the we can take like anything. So I like that only 4a square, I will write this 2 to the 4 here. So this is 2 not 2a, 2a will come, not 2t, because derivative of 2at is will come 2a. Okay, 2a means 4a square will come here, another 4a will come, so it will become remain, what will come here, 2t will remain. Okay, 2t will remain. So this 4 square plus 2t will remain here. Okay, and another thing what we have, what we can do means here 4a square t will come onto, 4a square t will come onto, it will become t square minus 1 plus 2 will come here. So from this it will become 4a square t into this will become t square minus 1 will come, t square plus 1 will come, because 2 minus 1 is equal to 1. So this will get here if we do for minus t 0. If we do now, here we got this 4a square t into t square plus 1, no? So where this f dash of t, okay, in this f dash of t, so t is equal to, I will, if I take 0 though, so this total value will become f dash is equal to 0 only come. So same like this is if I take f of x though, in this also if we submit to t is equal to 0 though, so this is a square here, this is t 0 square, 0 minus 0 will come here, this is also 0. So total in the f of x also it will become 0. So means 0 comma 0 will come like this if I submit 0 values though. So here this like what we can say, what he asked us to find, prove that the parabola for y square minus 4x is nearest to the focus is vertex is its vertex. So vertex is 0 comma 0 h comma k, we can say that. So this nearest to the this one only. So that given question is here the point of on the parabola y square is equal to 4ax, which nearest to the focus is vertex is 0 comma 0 here. So this is answer, we can write this is a vertex, okay, this one nearest to the this one here, okay. So now end of this question 11th one. So please rewind this and listen this one, so then you will understand. Now moving to the 12th one, in this one only, 12th one. Now 12th question is given that a comet moves. A comet means like satellite, like small icy like ice object like or rock object, anything. That comet moves a parabolic orbit with the sun as a focus when the comet is 2 into 10 to the power of 7 kilometers from the sun, okay. So this is a shape moving this comet from this time, okay, where here sun is there, yes, like think that here, okay, that is focus also. Here a or p will take this, a because a will take this na, so p will take this one, okay. Now this okay, so from the line sun to it, the angle he is saying that pi by 2 he is given here, and with the axis of the orbit, okay. Now find the, however the comet comes to the sun, how rare ఎంత దగ్గరికి వస్తుంది, कितने नज़दीक आएगा बोल के पूछ रहा है यहाँ पे, okay. So here to the sun, solution will come like this, So here we'll take parabolic equation is y square is equal to 4ax, will take here, okay. So here he is saying that this p is a like position of the comet, will take that p is a position of comet, this is moving around the sun like this s, okay. So angle is given, pi by 2 also is given, and here so he given this x axis, no, here this is, okay. So x axis means here the angle between this x s p is equal to pi by 2 here will take here, okay. Now p is this, ps is perpendicular to the axis of parabola like this one, okay, this to the parabola, perpendicular to parabola. Here sp is a latus rectum, so you find this latus rectum in your key concepts, go there in your textbook, key concepts lo untundi, so concepts. So there where this is 4a is a latus rectum total, here semi latus rectum this is, means 2a will come here. So here 2a is equal to, so what is he saying, the distance he is given is 2 into 10 to the power of 7 is given. So 2 will get cancelled, a is equal to 10 to the power of 7 will get here from this one, okay. So now what we have here, a is equal to, already we got, this is distance between this a and s also, we can say a is a between the a and s distance also, we can say that. Here the sun and line from the making this angle and the axis of the orbit, and find the how rear to the comet of this one. So this here also it will become same, how many meters, 10 to the power of 7 kilometers will come here. So here also, so this up to a mark. So here a is the nearest point, this is a is the nearest point, a is nearest point on the parabola, so from focus, what is the focus? S here, no? So from this to this is the nearest point of this given one. So the nearest point of the parabola is a 10 to the power of 7 is the 7 to the sun is the answer here. So please do guys, this is end of this first section. This is very big section. 12 questions are very important all. Please do share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you guys. This is very kind of request. Please subscribe and share at least to your friends, at least to 10 to 12 friends. That is very helpful me and your friends also. Thank you guys.